are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Monday, March 9th, 2020. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the All-Share Index closed at 25,647.54 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.365 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by 2.41%. The equities market opened the new week on the bearish zone as investors lost 329.39 billion naira in value. At the close of trading, market recorded one gainer to 38 losers. Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC was the top gainer, while Access Bank PLC, Cornell, and Cornerstone Insurance were among the top losers. In terms of trade volumes, Zenith Bank, Transcorp, and Guaranty Trust Bank were the top players and most active to boost market turnover. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 706.93 basis points with a market capitalization of 508.25 billion. Volume of shares traded was 2.602 and the value traded 44.637 million in 24 deals executed. The FMDQ OTC exchange debt market size closed at 29.1 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 365 naira 90 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 366 naira and closed at 366 naira 71 kobo to a dollar. You can also check for global, commodity, currency, and other indices on the economic dashboard showing on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the Nigerian gross official reserves declined by $1.71 billion in February to $36.30 billion. This was the ninth successive monthly decline. The cumulative fall of $8.82 billion is largely due to the exit of foreign portfolio investors, which has led to the CBN to sell FX from its reserves. A priority for the CBN is to keep these players invested in Nigeria, hence the returns close to 15% available for longer tenor bills within its open market operations. Its life would be easier if, like Egypt, it could attract FX inflows from other sources such as successful tourism industry and sizable FDIs. The impact of the softer oil price, both directly and indirectly via FPI settlements, adds to the downward pressure on reserves. Projections from well-placed oil traders and from international bodies all point to a squeezing of demand for crude oil as a result of the coronavirus. Also, Governor Godwin Obaseki of Edo State, a financial expert by profession, visited the Nigerian Stock Exchange to explore areas of collaboration and also engage the market on activities in his state and how the capital markets can key into the developments in the subnational. Edo State is home to some of the listed companies in the exchange, which include Okomu Oil Palm, Presco Oil Palm, and Guinness PLC, amongst others. For the key market and economic events to watch today, the crude oil market experienced another shock as the Brent price has been on the range of $31 to $37 a barrel in the last 2 days. This is a troubling scenario since the Gulf War in 1991, after the disintegration of OPEC alliance, triggered an all-out price war among the world's biggest producers. Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated has warned that prices could drop into the range of $20 per barrel, hammered by a collapse in the demand due to the coronavirus. The oil market is leading to a perfect storm situation, which all oil producers must brace up for. This will have severe consequences on Nigeria, as its budget for 2020 benchmark price is $57 per barrel, which means it will experience challenges in revenue, while the nation will face pressures in the FX space and will have to make a tough call on issues like currency devaluation. In a clear sense, the economy risks sliding into recession if this trend continues. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. Visit www.proshareenergy.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. Engage with us on our social media platforms displaying on the screen for further updates on our market reports. ProShare mobile app is also available on Apple Store and Play Store on your mobile device, which allows you to customize your preferred news and videos. Till we come your way again, Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day.